Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your lips look more bigger and more pouty without lip fillers and any kind of lip injections. You just need a simple one lip liner, your favorite lip liner you can use. Here I'm using from NYX and it's my favorite and it's nude shade. You have to just draw your lip line on the outer side to make your lips look more bigger and pouty. Then you have to use your favorite lipstick. Here I'm using Charlottetilbury and it's a beautiful shade and I love this shade. You have to just fill your lips with your favorite shade and it will give such a good effect of pouty lips and big lips because you have draw your lip liner on the outer side, so your lips will look more bigger and more pouty.